Hey y'all, I'm Nikki, and yes, we have something simple and delicious today. All right, and it is Bahamian cracked conch salad. So, what you see me here, I'm just adding some lettuce that I've already cut up and I had already cleaned them. And all I did was just wrap it in some hand towel, put it in a zipper bag, and put it in the refrigerator. And now pull them out, and I'm just putting them in a big old bowl for the salad. So that's gonna set as a set that's gonna set as your bar. Get a little tongue twisted there, so y'all forgive me. So whatever lettuce you have, you can use it. You can use your romaine, your butter lettuce, your red leaf, whatever you have on hand. Go ahead and you use exactly that. Okay, so you don't have to use everything I used in this, but just to give you an idea, in the event that you do the crack conch like I've shown in my other video. Okay, so I'm just adding some carrots. Now listen, you can have your carrot sticks pre-cut like I do, or you can do them yourself. And I'm right now adding some red onions. Usually I have it with pickled onions, but today I just didn't feel like doing the pickled onion. So I just did simple red onions. I cut those up, and then I am just going to go ahead and add, these are plum tomatoes that I had just sliced up, and I'm just putting it on the side. You notice everything has its own corner, and that's what we're gonna do. So the tomatoes just didn't want to act right, but we gonna get it together. So those are tomatoes right there. Now for me, when I have this salad, or any salad rather, I do not like salad dressing. So what I'll do, I'll have the juice of an orange or lemon, just squirt it over the salad, and then I'll just season it with some smoked sea salt and black pepper. And when I tell you, that is all you need, that is all you need. But if you want to go ahead and have your salad dressing, you can go right ahead and you can add your favorite salad dressing to this. I'm just adding the conch on there. I didn't cut up any of the conch, I just left them as is, and I'm fixing it how I want to fix it. Can't decide. The conch ain't even acting right, so that's how it is. So quick, simple salad with the cracked conch. You don't want any of that fries or anything, then you can go ahead and have this. So there you have it, cracked conch salad. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bon appetit.